This is the Clubbell side shoulder cast to side flag press. So we'll need 2 Clubbells for this exercise, and it's a combination exercise, combining 2 exercises in one. The first part is the shoulder cast. So you want to keep the Clubbells behind your back. You can let them hang quite loose. Keep your elbows wide, and your knuckles can touch behind your back, as you can see here. So knuckles kind of touching. And then what you want to do is you want to pull your elbows down to your side and keep your elbows pinned. So that's the first exercise there, the side shoulder cast. And the side flag press is you take a big deep breath, and then you're going to push the Clubbells out laterally away from you until your hands are about shoulder height. And then you're going to bring the Clubbells back to your side, and that will complete 1 rep. So again, starting from behind, down till your elbows are pinned at your side, press out, pull it back in with your elbows, and then back into the shoulder cast position. So again, both movements are in the frontal plane. Great exercise for your shoulders and the back of your shoulders.